Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Chapter 2, Number Fun. In previous video, you have learned comparison of numbers. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, you will learn order of numbers. First is ascending order and second is descending order. Now, what is this ascending order and descending order? Let's learn. Now I am going to show you something. Look at this. What is this? Slide. I know you love it. Now look at this. Monu. Monu is very cute boy like you. Now Monu wants to slide. So Monu is climbing up. And now what is Monu doing? Sliding. Again, climbing up and sliding. Monu is enjoying. Now look at here. When Monu is climbing up, he is ascending. And when Monu is going down, sliding, he is descending. Very easy. Ascending and descending. Ascending and descending. Meet Sonu. Sonu is Monu's brother. Sonu wants to play in that park. So what Sonu will do? Sonu has to climb this staircase. So Sonu is climbing. Going up is called ascending. Now Sonu is going up. Okay, now Sonu is playing in the park. Enjoying. Yay. Oh, what happened? Sonu is tired now. So Sonu wants to come down. Okay, Sonu is coming down. Coming down is called descending. Okay, now look at here, my dear children. When Sonu climbs up, he starts with number 1 and going towards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and ends with 10. When Sonu is tired, then while coming down, Sonu starts with number 10. And coming down and ends with 1. So in ascending order, we will arrange numbers from smallest number to greatest number like this. And in descending order, we will arrange numbers from greatest number to smallest number. Remember, ascending order means smallest number to greatest number and descending order means greatest number to smallest number. Let's see some more examples. A, S, C, E, N, D, I, N, G, ascending, O, R, D, E, R, order. Ascending order means we have to arrange numbers into ascending order. See first 5, 2 and 7. We have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. Means we will arrange from smallest to greatest. So first of all, find smallest number. Which is smallest number over here? 2. So we will write first 2. Okay, 2 written, then cut down 2. After 2, 5 and 7. So which is smaller, 5 or 7? 5. So I am writing 5. 5 cut down. 2 cut down, 5 cut down. Now which is left? 7. Okay, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Now look at the second example. 1, 6, 16, 17, 15. Okay, first of all we will find smallest number. Which is smallest number? See, first digit same. So we will compare second digit 6, 7 and 5. So 5 is smaller. So number 15 is smaller. So first I am writing 15. Cut down 15. Now 16 and 17. Which is smaller? 16. Okay, 16 done. Cut down 16. Now which is left? 17. So I am writing 17. So 15, 16 and 17 are in ascending order. Now next. DESCENDING descending, ORDER order, descending order. See first example 2, 9, 5. We have to arrange these numbers into descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So first of all we will find greatest number. Which is biggest number? 2, 9 or 5? 9. So I am writing 9 first of all. 9 done. So cut down 9. Now which is left? 2 and 5. Which is bigger? 5. So I am writing 5. 5 cut down. Now which is left? 2. So 2. Okay, 9, 5 and 2. See second example. 23, 34 and 29. Okay. Now which is the greatest number? 29? No, 34. Cut down 34 and I am writing 34 here. Now 23 and 29. Which is bigger? 29. So I am writing here 29 and cut down 29. Now which is left? Which number is left? 23. So I am writing here 23. So 34, 29 and 23. This is called descending order. Now we will do exercise in our maths textbook. So open your maths textbook, page number 32. Write ORDER order, OF of NUMBERS numbers. Order of numbers. How many order of numbers are there? 2. First is ascending order and second is descending order. First, ASCENDING ascending, ORDER order, ascending order. In ascending order, what we have to do? We will arrange numbers from smallest to greatest. Look at here. WRITE, write 11, 23, 37 and 18 in ASCENDING ascending, ORDER order. Write 11, 23, 37 and 18 in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order, first of all we will find smallest number. Which is smallest number over here? 18? No, 11. So I will write first 11. Then cut down 11. Now which numbers are left? 23, 37 and 18. Now which number is smaller? 18. So now I will write 18. Okay, cut down 18. Now 23 and 37. Which is smaller one? 23. So write down 23 and cut down 23. Now which number is left? 3 7 37. So write down 3 7 37. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Look at this, children. They are climbing up, means ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Look at this first example. 14, 18, 13, 16, 12, 15 and 17. So first of all we have to find smallest number. Which is smallest number over here? 12. After 12, 13. So 13 is written here. After 13, 14. After 14, 15. So 15 is written. After 15, 16. So 16, 17 and 18. Now anyone left? No. Now look at next. 5, 2, 6, 1, 3, 7 and 4. So which is the smallest number? 1. So write down here 1. Cut down 1. You have to write with pencil. Okay. Now 5, 2, 6, 3, 7 and 4. So which is smaller? 2. So write down 2. Okay. 5, 6, 3, 7 and 4. Now which is smallest in this? 3. Okay. So cut down 3 and 7, 4, 5 and 6. Now 4. Cut down 4. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. So which is smaller? 5. After 5, 6 will come and after 6, 7 will come. So write down 5. Cut down 5. 6 and 7. Which is smaller? 6. Now which is left? 7. So write down 7. Now look at the next. 36, 32, 38, 33, 35, 37 and 34. All are 2-digit numbers and first digit is same. So we have to see only second digit. Okay. 6, 2, 8, 3, 5, 7 and 4. Which is smallest number? Find. 32. It is already given here. So cut down 32. After 32, find. See here. 6, 8, 3, 5, 7 and 4. So which is smallest? 3. So we will write 33. Cut 33. After 33, see all numbers again. 34. So we will cut 34. Okay, now 36, 38, 35 and 37. So which number we will write? 35. After 35, 36. And after 36, which numbers are left? 38 and 37. We will write smaller number. Smaller number is 37. So cut 37. And now which is left? 38. And 38 is already given. Cut. Now any number left? No. Look at next. 42, 39, 44, 38, 40, 41 and 43. Here first digit is 3 here. So these two numbers are smaller. Okay, find first smaller number. 38 is smaller or 39? 38. So write down first of all 38 and cut down 38. Now after 38, 39. So write down 39 and cut down 39. After 39, look. 42, 44, 40, 41 and 43. Which is smallest? 40. So write down 40, 40. Cut 40. After 40, 41. After 41, 42. After 42, 43 is there? Yes. So cut 43 and write 43. And after 43, 44. Yes. So 44 right and cut. Okay. Now this two you have to do by yourself and you can write from PDF. Okay. Now next page number 33. DESCENDING descending ORDER order. Descending order. You all know descending order means biggest number to smallest number. First we will write greatest number, then smaller, smaller and smallest number. Okay. WRITE, write 23, 78, 62 and 35 in DESCENDING descending ORDER order. Write 23, 78, 62 and 35 in descending order. What we have to do? We have to write this number into descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. So first of all find biggest number here. See here, all are 2-digit numbers. So we will first compare tens place, first digit place. 2, 7, 6 and 3. Which is bigger? 7. Which is biggest number? 78. So we will write first 78. Okay. Then cut 78. Now which are left? 23, 62 and 35. So which is bigger? 6. So 62 is bigger number. Okay. Cut 62. Now 23 and 35. Which is bigger? 35. So write down 35 and cut. Okay. Now which number is left? 23. So write down 23 and cut. Okay. In descending order you have to remember bigger number and in ascending order you have to remember smaller number. Look at this, children. They are coming down, means descending. ARRANGE, arrange. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. NUMBERS, numbers. IN, DESCENDING, descending. ORDER, order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. See, first example is given. 10, 13, 9, 11, 8, 14 and 12. First of all, biggest number. Biggest number is 14 is written. See here, 13, then 12 is smaller and 11 is smaller. 10, 9 and 8 is smallest number. Okay. So like that we have to arrange. Next is 4, 10, 7, 5, 9, 6 and 8. What we have to do? We have to find biggest number. Which is biggest number? 10. So we will write first 10. Okay, 10 done. Cut down 10. Now 4, 7, 5, 9, 6 and 8. Which is bigger? 9. So we will write here 9. Cut down 9. And after 9, 4, 7, 5, 6, 8 again. So which is bigger? 8. Now which is bigger in these numbers? 7. So we will write here 7 and cut down 7. Now 4, 5 and 6. Which is bigger in 4, 5 and 6? 6. So we will write 6. Then 5. Okay. Write 5 and cut. Now which number is left? 4. So write down 4. Next. 93, 98, 95, 94, 92, 97 and 96. So we will write first biggest number. Which is biggest number over here? Look at these numbers. All numbers are 2-digit numbers and first digit is same, 9. Okay, so we will compare second digit 3, 8, 5, 4, 2, 7 and 6. Okay. You can do with pencil only. You are not supposed to use sketch pen. So which is biggest? 8. So 98 is biggest number. First of all we will write biggest number is 98. Then 97 is already given. So first cut 98, then 97 will come. After 97, 96. We are going descending, means coming down. After 96, 95. Actually in descending order we have to write before numbers. You can see here before 98, 97 comes. Before 97, 96 comes. Before 96, 95. So before 95, 94. Can you find here 94? Yes. So cut down 94 and write 94. Okay. Before 94, 93 is already given. Before 93, okay, cut 93. We have also forgot this 96. 95 is done. So cut 95. Okay, now which number is left? 92. And before 93 also 92. So cut. Okay. Next is 59, 64, 60, 58, 61, 63 and 62. So we will find first biggest number. Which is biggest number? 58? No. 63? No. Which is biggest? 64. So write down 64. Cut 64. Okay, before 64, 63. 63 is there? Yes. So cut 63 and write here. Before 63, 62. 62 is there? Yes. So write down 62 and cut. Okay. Okay, before 61, 62, 61. So 61 is there? Yes. So cut it and write. Before 61, 60. 60 is present here? Yes. So cut 60 and write here. Before 60, 59. So 59 is there? Yes, here. So cut 59 and write. Now which number is left? 58. Before 59, 58. Okay. Now these two you have to write by yourself. Okay. You can write also from PDF. Bye bye children. Enjoy your day.